In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color in Prestashop in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to give your online store a fresh look, altering the header color can make a significant impact. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily apply this change to your shop. First, you'll need to log into your Prestashop back office. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your shop's admin login page. This is typically found by adding admin to your shop's domain URL. Once there, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and type in your email and password in the respective fields. After entering your credentials, proceed by clicking on the login button. Successful login will redirect you to your Prestashop back office dashboard. Here you have complete control over the management and customization of your online store. But for our purposes, the next thing you want to do is locate the option labeled View My Store. Clicking on this will take you directly to the front page of your online shop. Now that you're on your store's homepage, you're ready to inspect the header code. To do this, simply right-click anywhere within the page and select Inspect from the context menu. This action will bring up the browser's developer tools, a handy feature allowing you to see and modify site elements in real time. Within the developer tools, direct your attention to the Elements tab. Here, carefully navigate through the HTML structure of your page and find the header element. Selecting this element will allow you to locate the specific code responsible for the header's appearance. Once the header element is highlighted, your focus should shift to the accompanying styles, specifically the background color. In the Styles panel, locate the CSS rule that determines the header's background color. This will typically be labeled as background color. Click on the color code to open up a color picker tool, which provides a variety of options for you to choose from. The color picker allows you to experiment and select the perfect hue for your store's header. Feel free to experiment with different shades. Once you're satisfied with your selection, take note of the color code, as you'll need to apply this change to the final style sheet to make it permanent. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the header color of your Prestashop store. This simple customization can give your store a distinct touch, aligning it more closely with your brand's aesthetic. Remember, just a small change like this can enhance the overall user experience and presentation, keeping your online presence both dynamic and inviting. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.